Hi, my name is Robe, and I was born in China. I've lived in several different parts of China and learned to cook many different styles of Chinese food. I've lived in the US now for several years, and I've learned to cook many Western-style dishes as well. Today, I would like to share one of my recipes with you. So please have a seat and welcome to Auntie Yum Yum's kitchen. Okay, today we're going to cook a blended spice chicken. So first of all, you want to pick a chicken that is about 2.5 pounds. So this way you have plenty of meat and it's not going to take too long time to cook and the chicken will be tender. So while you're washing it, you make sure you trim off all the excess fat and skins. And of course, change water a few times. And also trim off the wingtips. Wingtips do not have much meat and it's very easy to get burned, so I usually don't keep them. And also I'll cut off the tail. Okay, and also some excessive skin. And this again would be easily burned. So if you look at the neck of the chicken, right going down from the neck, you can find the spine. Cut around the spine on both sides. So this way you can cut off the spine and open the chicken up completely. This spine in the center does not have much meat, and also it contains a lot of things it's hard to wash off. Once you open the chicken up and lay them flat, you can cook this much faster. So wash it thoroughly. And trim off some more skin. And now you want to cut out the wishbone area. So this way you can open it up and you can lay the chicken flat completely. So now pat dry the chicken. You don't want the chicken to be too wet when you cook it. This way the chicken can be very flavorful. Lay down a dry paper towel. And poke some holes on the area where the meat is thick, like thigh and chicken breast, for easy seasoning. So now get some spice ready. So I call it mixed spice because you have Szechuan brown pepper, cumin, fennel, and coriander. You fry them together and take away all the moisture in there. And pick some of those black seeds off their brown pepper. So once you see the smoke coming out, that means it's ready. Set it aside and let it cool off for easy grinding. While you're waiting for that, get some green onion ready. Chop this to smaller pieces. And get some garlics ready as well. So crush the garlic for easy chopping later. Okay, and also get some pepper ready. Now here you can use fresh red pepper or you can use pickled chili pepper. You can find this pepper in Asian grocery store. Cut the pepper to smaller pieces as well. So now the spice is cooling off. Add some toasted sesame in there and grind them together. By now the aroma is amazing. The sesame seeds plus the spice And put some salt in there. And some chicken bouillon for thicker flavor. And blend them together really nicely. Now I want to divide this spice to half. Half of that I want to keep them dry for seasoning on the back. And then the other half I want to add the garlic, the green onion, and the chili pepper in there. I want to make this pasty so it sticks to the inside of the chicken. Now you can see it's kind of pasty and sticky, and I can add some more flavor by adding some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Don't want to put too much of those. You don't want this to be too drippy. Like this is perfect. Now I want to put the paste inside of the chicken. Cover all the surface. And then spread them evenly. Make sure all this area is all touched with this marinating paste. See, now you can flip this easily and the marinating will not drip. Okay, flip this. Okay, poke some holes on the thighs and also the chicken breast for easy seasoning. Now add the dry seasoning mix on top of the skin. And spread that evenly. And make sure you rub around the wings and also the drumstick. Now you want to put this overnight in the fridge. Don't cover it, so this way the skin will be drying off as much as possible. Now the second day, heat up the oven. Okay, get some vegetable ready. For the vegetable, you can put your favorite vegetable, but usually you want to pick the one that cook around 1 hour. You don't want to put things that can be cooked in 20 minutes. So now get some potato and carrots in there. And cut them to smaller pieces for easy cooking. Okay, put it in a tray together with the potato. Now get some garlic ready. Just chop the ends off and put that in the tray. And put a little bit olive oil. And mix them together really nicely so all the surface of the vegetable will be touching the olive oil, and also it's not going to stick to the bottom. Now put the chicken in the tray face down so the skin side up. Now spray a little bit oil on the skin and put that in the oven for 35 minutes. And while we're waiting, let's get some coating ready. Let's get some honey and some soy sauce. Mix them together. So now 35 minutes later, just to take the chicken out and then brush the coating to the surface of the skin. And the honey sweetness is going to add so much to this chicken. Okay, put it back in the oven for another 35 minutes. Now it depends on the temperature of your oven, so you need to test the temperature. And make sure it is 165 Fahrenheit in the thigh and the chicken breast area. Now the chicken is ready. Just carry it out and put it in a big plate and add a little bit Himalayan salt on your vegetable there. Put it back in the oven and set it on the high broil for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure it's not burned. Meanwhile, cover the chicken with a piece of aluminum foil to keep it warm and juicy. Okay, the vegetables are ready. Now let's add the vegetable to the side of this beautiful chicken. It smells so good. The garlic, the vegetable, plus the chicken. I'll enjoy this blended spice chicken.